doesn't like riding roller coasters. And our friend, my friend, basically my sister, because I've known her for a long time. And then we went on this ride with horses, and then the seatbelt, the seatbelt, it was very tight, and then I spit on the roller coaster. I spit on the horse.
Why?
The coasters that don't go. Woo.
I got itchy my face.
My favorite roller coaster was in
You got itchy on your what?
My face.
My favorite roller coaster.
You're
was in
okay?
SeaWorld.
Mine?
You don't have
You mean the
allergies?
manta ray thing?
Yeah.
No, not
Do you-
that one.
I like
It's
Lego
scary.
Man.
I like the whales.
I like Lego
Whales?
Man.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean Shamu?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go to SeaWorld!
Yes!
Skylar wasn't there. I've been there 7 times.
I've been there, I don't know how many times.
I've been there 7
You know,
times.
I found a cool
Skylar,
one.
you weren't even born yet. I was going to SeaWorld all day long.
So, Skylar had never been to SeaWorld yet.
Yeah.
Let's
We're
go
gonna
to-
bring Sky! Yay!
And let's go to Winter Garden. Wait, no, not Winter
What's
Garden.
Winter Garden?
Busch Garden.
Busch Garden has...
Bushes.
Busch
And garden.
Busch Garden got Bosch lot.
No, they have bushes and gardens. That's why it's called Busch Garden.
What is
I want to go Legoland.
Yeah, let's go to every theme park we know.
I want to go to Titiwagi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Legoland.
Legoland, gonna Teacher Roger.
Me too. I wanna go to Legoland.
Where is it?
Where is it?
All the way there in North Africa. Wait,
Oh,
North
yeah.
Africa. It's all the way in the North Pole.
North Pole.
Hold on, order ko na guys.
Who wants chicken?
Who wants chicken?
I like chickens. How you put this on?
And isn't he gonna get hyper?
Okay, you guys gotta
Seat belt.
your seatbelt.
My seatbelt's been on.
balon oy.
Malit lagi, dagan. Bay, makakuha ka, isablay ramang ginagapon, no? Ugot balon, no?